Hey, what's up, guys? This is Ali from isocialu.com, and welcome back to my channel and another video in the TikTok for Business video series. In this video, I want to show you some differences that I'm seeing between TikTok and Instagram, especially the lifetime value of your content. And now, before we jump into the video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notifications of all of my future videos. All right, so I'm gonna go right into my TikTok. Here we are. This is my TikTok at Ali Mirza 2K, and I'm gonna go to my inbox, which is right here, and that's where I'll see all of my comments, engagement, and if I click on the top, I can filter by all, comments, mentions, followers. Let's go to comments. So all of these comments, so this comment right here, I got 15 hours ago, 16 hours ago. So most of these comments, I got these today. But here is something really, really interesting. This piece of content right here, I posted this. This is my interview with one of my friends on his podcast. So if I look at the analytics, so this was posted on September 3rd. So that's more than a month ago. And let's go back and pick another, this right here. This video of Steve Jobs, so I'm gonna click on analytics. This was posted on September 21st, and it's been almost a month, and I'm still getting organic reach, engagement on the content. So the lifetime value of your content on TikTok right now is much higher than what you see on Instagram. If I go to Instagram, and I do have a lot of engagement, but this is actually on the content that I posted yesterday. My content that I posted 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, if I'm not using ads, it's not getting any organic reach or organic engagement. So that's what I wanted to talk about inside this video. The organic reach on TikTok is the same that we used to see in the early days of Facebook and the early days of Instagram, and then they decided to monetize their platform and introduce the ads, and all of our organic reach crashed, right? So TikTok is a great place or platform right now where you can get organic reach for your content. And obviously, I know it's not for everyone, so you want to make sure you use it based on your audience. And their audience demographic right now is a lot of teens. So if you target to teens, younger people, then it's a place where you want to be at. You want to experiment on TikTok and see if you can create content and get a lot of organic reach. And here's something that I tell to a lot of my students. Every platform to get business or get results from any platform, be it Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, here are the 4 steps that you need. Let me go back. So basically, first of all, you need to get some attention, and that could be organic, or you use ads to get attention or attract people. And then in step number 2, you have to build a relationship with these people. If your content is not good, guess what? People are not gonna pay attention. And then step number 3 is when you convert those relationships into your email leads or business leads. And then step number 4 is when you make sales, right? So this process works for all the platforms, all social media marketing channels. And guess what? TikTok has a lot of attention, a lot of organic reach right now. So that's a platform you do not want to ignore for 2 demographics. One, if you are a business and your target audience is younger people, teens, then you want to test some stuff on TikTok. And number 2, if you're a marketer like myself, you absolutely want to pay attention to TikTok, experiment, spend some time there, understand the algorithm, understand the reach and the content, so you can educate your clients and other people who are asking you about TikTok. Thank you so much for watching this video. Before you go, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I will see you next time. Bye.